Hi there, it's me, JP. Today we will do an experiment. The title of this experiment is Cooling of the Skin. The objective of this experiment is to investigate the cooling rates of water and alcohol to help explain the cooling of the skin. The materials we will need are as follows. Rubbing alcohol, this one. 2 baby food jar lids, we use plastic petri dishes, and then water, a watch with the second hand, we used a digital watch timer, 2 cotton balls, and then a blackboard. First, I will pour some little water on the lid. And then, what we do is we will dip the cotton ball into the water. And then, we will squeeze out the excess water. Okay. Then, we will rub the wet cotton ball on the blackboard. And then, I'll time it.
How much time now?
1 minute and 8 seconds.
How many minutes now?
1 minute and 31 seconds. The time is 1 minute and 45 seconds. Okay.
Not yet.
We'll stop it
Not yet.
when it's dry.
You should really know dark green areas. Not yet. Not yet. And yan, stop. What's the time?
2 minutes and 4 seconds. Then
What will you do with that value?
2 minutes and 4 seconds.
So that streak on the board took it dried up for
2 minutes and 4 seconds.
now. What's next?
And then we will rub the wet cotton ball on the arm. So we will do the same on the blackboard.
Rub na lang po.
Okay. Wait.
And you will feel it naman, di ba? You can feel when it's dry. Is it dry?
Not yet.
Can you see?
It's not yet dry. There's still some parts which are wet.
Okay. Almost dry?
Dry.
Dry na?
49 seconds.
Okay.
Faster.
What's next?
Then next, I will repeat 2, 3, steps 2 and 3, but I'll use alcohol. A little alcohol. I did it. After that, we will rub the cotton ball with the alcohol.
Wet it.
Then we will drain off the excess. And we will time it. 3, 2, 1, go.
What happened?
It's timing actually.
Okay.
Wow. Look at that.
Why?
It's cooling down very fast.
Cooling?
It's evaporating. It's being absorbed by the blackboard quickly.
What time?
For 47 seconds.
What time?
54 seconds.
What?
1 minute. And
The round.
wait.
Sa dulo.
Done.
Not yet.
It's still playing.
Yon.
1 minute and 8 seconds.
1 minute and 8 seconds. On your arm, the same length you did earlier.
Yes.
Same length.
I'll try.
Squeeze out the excess.
No excess.
Wala na. Same length. Where's your timer?
And actually, it's timing already. Just listen.
Repeat it on the other arm.
Okay, and cool first.
Cool.
Evaporating then. And it's dry.
And how many seconds? How do you know?
51 seconds.
51. Longer than water.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did you make the same length
Yes.
and same amount?
Yes.
Okay. So, what's the experiment again all about?
It's all
Cooling.
about the cooling of the skin.
Cooling of the skin. So, what are the questions there?
Look, that's how long the alcohol took to dry up.
Mm-mm. Mm.
So what dried up faster was the water.
The water dried up faster on both alcohol and blackboard.
On both arm and blackboard.
Which
No.
dried up?
Water. Yeah, water. No, alcohol I meant.
Alcohol dried up faster in both?
In the arm.
I think kasi kanina sa arm, anak, nag-time ka na kaya naglagay ka pa lang. Dapat pagkalagay, time.
Then we will reduce it to...
It should be less.
Maybe 47. Yeah, that was... No, that was minus 5 seconds. So, that is alcohol.
Recording.
Which cooled off your arm the most? The alcohol.
And why?
And because it evaporated at a faster rate.
Why the faster it evaporates,
The faster
the cooler?
it is because the alcohol doesn't absorb that much heat from the body.
Earlier, you experienced handling denatured alcohol.
Yes.
And how did you
It
find
was very cold on my skin.
it's much colder? Was it much colder
It was much colder actually
than the
than the isopropyl alcohol or the rubbing
ano
alcohol.
what? The what?
Isopropyl.
What?
Isopropyl.
What?
The rubbing alcohol.
Don't do that. What alcohol is that? I saw.
Isopropyl.
You read it.
Isopropyl.
What?
Isopropyl.
No.
Alcohol.
It's not.
Isopropyl.
Isopropyl. It's not phyl.
And in this.
But then you have denatured alcohol. It's much.
Maybe because it evaporates at a faster rate than this alcohol.
And then faster. Mass.
Cooler.
Cooler.
And that's why it's the best thing to use for an alcohol lamp because no. There's no connection. It is important to sweat when the body is hot so that
Why?
So that the
What does the sweat?
because the sweat,
yes,
when it evaporates, it absorbs the heat from the body
and
it cools down
what cools down?
the body because the sweat absorbs the heat which will evaporate into the air.
Anything more? Why is it important to sweat? Okay. Anything else?
None? Thank you.